My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got Jordan 4 UNCs in a size 8.5. Oh, I want to keep this so bad. A few days ago, I managed to catch a shock restock on DTLR for the Jordan 4 UNCs. It came in the mail already. Yesterday, after that dunk restock, a few hours later, they restocked again, and then I got 4 more checkouts. Today though, we do have Yeezy 500 and Flames dropping. Let's go! I got a 5.5. Gonna go through. Oh, emitting 3DS. Let's go, another one. Alright, 20 seconds before a potential box logo release. Man, I'm honestly kind of nervous. Alright, so I got a bunch of shoes in the mail today. 7 Syracuse Dunks, and we got 3 Yeezy 500 and Flames. Let's see how these look in hand. This is actually really nice. The feel of the shoe is a little bit stiff to the touch in comparison to most of the other Dunks that I've held in my hands, and I do see a bunch of glue stains oozing out in the toe box, but honestly it's really not that big of a deal. Nobody's gonna like look at your shoe like this and realize there's a glue stain. First, I wasn't a big fan of these, but man, not something that I would personally wear, but wouldn't be too hard to pull off. Just not my cup of tea, but it is a very beautiful shoe. Tomorrow we absolutely have a huge release. We have Jordan 1 Shadows 2.0. Being that this setup is going to be a bit different from what I am used to, hopefully I do not flop and hopefully we get a lot of pairs. Damn it. I got one on East Bay. Another one. And another one. The Prism's doing work. And another one. Kylin got me one. Seven checkouts so far. 8. Nine. Bro, this pod is goated. What can I say? Ooh, going on Ganesh. And another one. Alright, that is about it for the release. I managed to get, I think, 22 checkouts, and around half of them got cancelled, so my cancel rate is going down, but not exactly where I want it to be. I know there is a way to prevent it, but let's just say it didn't exactly work out. Ganesh was definitely the star of this release. I was only running one instance with 200 tasks, and I got so many checkouts on that one instance. Definitely a bot that I'm going to be focusing on moving forward. Prism and Kylin also did very well, and another bot that did super duper well is Prism AIO, and it absolutely crushed a website that I used to love a lot. But I didn't run it today. But that being said, I think Wrath is going to be my go-to Shopify bot from now on. I wish I could have gotten at least one on Shopify, but other than that, not too bad. First of all, I got a haircut, finally. And yesterday I also got a couple of dunks from some restocks, a little nice bonus over there. And a pair of shadows came in the mail. Let's see how these look. I guess they're pretty cool. Not that crazy about them though. Not much to say about these other than the fact that this is probably as mediocre as it gets. I don't know, it might grow on me, but my first impressions, it's alright. We do have women dunks dropping today. Stock numbers are going to be on the lower side, and the number of bots that I'm going to be using isn't going to be all that much in comparison to what I did for the shadows. Hopefully we get a bunch of these, but I'm not going to be counting on it.
Okay, I'ma do it better if I do it my way. You were feeling off and I'm feeling the same about you. Don't know if I ever wanna lose you. I am waiting in pain.
Play the waiting. Oh my god. What the heck? It's a freaking miracle. Alright, I think the drop is just about finished. I didn't get any on my bots. Dude, it feels so weird, like running these bots and then you hit one on Sneakers app and none on your bots. As I said, stock numbers for this drop was pretty low, so luck probably did play a bigger factor in this drop, more so than my setup, because I feel like my setup was on point. I just wasn't able to check anything out, but it's all good.
Yeah, you got me feeling bad. You were just ignoring me like I'm off the map, treating me like shit.
We got another dunk drop today. This one is going to be harder than the one yesterday, but I'm still going to go for it. It's either going to be a quick W or a quick L. Most likely it's going to be a quick L, but let's give it a shot. And for Shopify, there was basically no stock. Nobody was getting this unless you were super duper lucky. Not too sure about the stock numbers on Nike sneakers though, but it didn't seem like too many people got this. But it is all good. This Saturday, it is rumored that Jordan 3 Amamanier sneakers are going to be re-releasing again. Low-key, I kind of want these as a personal. I know it's a women's shoe, but if I manage to somehow get my size, there's a good chance that I might be keeping one for myself. I don't know. We copped these when they first released on the Amamanier website. However, hopefully we do get another one. Will we be able to do that? We're going to find out on the next episode.